I got a new camera. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. You're welcome. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I got some new equipment, so I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. Let's just get right into the video. So I got my equipment from a store called Photo Blaze. It's an online shop based in Lagos. So first things first, I got a new camera. I got a new camera. I'm so happy and glad and pleased and excited. Like, my heart is full of joy right now. I've wanted the camera for the longest time. Like, you cannot even imagine how much I've wanted this. So I got a new camera. Yeah. This is the Canon EOS 250D. Yes. So let's open this up. Yes. So I also got a memory card. This is a 32 gig memory card. This is just the receipt. Now, this is quite a big book. I think this is a manual or something. Let me see. It's a manual. Then what's this? I think this is a warranty, whatever. This is warranty paper. What do you call it? So this is a battery pack. Let me just open this, and this is a battery. I already charged it because it's here. This is a charger. I think it came with two chargers. Yes, it came with two chargers. One with a three pin plug head, and one with a regular 2-pin plug. What am I saying? I don't know what I'm saying, but I hope you guys get what I'm saying. Like, see what I'm trying to say. One of the charger came like this, and the other one came like this. Yeah. I'm going to be using this more, obviously, because it's more convenient. So then a strap, camera strap, and it came with this paper. This is like a voucher to register for the Canon photography course. I'm going to check this out. I'm going to check this out later on my phone. And then the lens. This is the kit lens that comes with all Canon cameras. This is the 18 to 55 mm Canon lens. I actually wanted to get the 50 mm lens, but I decided to just start with this one, and then I'll get that one later on. And then this is the main camera. Like, this thing is so pretty. Like, it's so fine and so sleek, and it's just so pretty. Like, can you see? Let me show you guys. This is the back. It has a flip out screen. So what else did I buy? I got this lavalier mic. This is the Lens Go LYM DM1 lavalier mic. Let me open this up. I have one actually, which is this one I'm using right now, but the cable is quite short. Yeah, the cable is just like an arm's length long. So I got this one because it's longer. This isn't actually the one I wanted. I wanted to get the Boya lavalier mic, but this was the one they had available, so I had to get this one. It comes in this small bag, and this is the mic, and it has this what do you call it, wind sponge. I think that's what they call it. So this is what it looks like. I also got a new tripod. I really like this bag the tripod comes with. Can you see? Like, if I'm traveling, I can just, carry it like this. Let me open this up. Like, it feels strong. And it comes with a Bluetooth remote. Oh my gosh, what else? It comes with a Bluetooth remote for me to take my pictures and videos, and that. It has a phone holder as well. The main tripod. And then a little USB cord to charge the Bluetooth remote with. This is really cute. I used to have a smaller Bluetooth remote, but that one was battery operated, so I like this one. I like the fact that it comes with a charger. So I know you guys are dying to see how the camera looks, so I'm going to put this on now. I charged the battery already last night. This is the battery slot here. Yep, the battery is in. Let me insert the memory card. Yeah, so that's closed. Okay, good. Before I got this camera, I got this as a gift actually. I've been doing my research since like last year. I was actually contemplating between this and the M50, but I went with this at last cause I don't know, I just really liked this one, so I decided to go with this. The flip out screen is actually movable, so I can turn it this way, like if I'm filming, so I can see what I'm doing. I love this about this camera, the fact that the flip out screen is movable, like it rotates. So let's switch to the camera now. Let me hit record. Ooh. Hi, this is how I'm looking. Let me zoom in. Let me just mount this on the tripod now. So you guys, this is what it's looking like while I'm sitting down. I'm trying to use the external mic, but I don't know what's going on. I'm going to sort this out later, but how cute does this look? Like, can you guys see? I really like the fact that I can see myself here. It's giving me joy. So you guys, let me know what you think about this. Like, this quality is just top notch. I'm not filming in 4K right now because this camera shoots in 4K. I'm not filming in 4K because I don't think I have enough space for that right now. I'm editing with my phone. I don't have a laptop, so for now I'm going to be filming in full HD or ultra HD. I don't know what they call it, but yeah. If you want to know the prices of anything or you're confused about anything, just let me know down below in the comment section or send me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to leave the Instagram handle and the link in the description box. I think that's it for today's video. I can't wait to film like more videos and more tutorials and, you know, get to know my camera more and all that. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.